purchase something new for your home? Would you like to know what's the best purchase? Well, look no further. The Warren County Library has Consumer Reports available online. Consumer Reports is an independent, nonprofit member organization that works side by side with consumers for truth, transparency, and fairness in the marketplace. My name is Erin, and I'm going to show you how you can access Consumer Reports on your computer with your library card. We're going to start here at our website, which is www.warrenlib.org. If you ever have any questions, please click the Ask a Question tab on the right. We're going to start at Research and click A to Z Databases. When we scroll down here, you can see all the different databases we offer and Consumer Reports right here. We can log in from the home, from library, or on our cell phone. I'm going to log in from home. And here I have my library card entered in with no spaces, and I'm going to hit Sign In. Then we're going to click on the link just below this, and it brings us into the website. And you can see right here, it says, "Welcome back, library user." And you can see that there's different tabs at the top here, product reviews. Everybody always is looking for the car guide. This is it right here. Click of a mouse. And then sometimes when we're purchasing something, it may not be the best time to buy. If we look here, we can see maybe what different options they have. I'm going to click on September. And if I click on September, it'll bring us down air purifiers, air conditioners, carpet cleaners. These are the best items to purchase. You can notice the items in gray, not the best time to purchase. However, sometimes we just need to find something right away. I'm going to look for refrigerator, and I'm going to hit search. And I'm going to look for different types. There's top freezers, bottom, French door, compact refrigerator, built-in refrigerators. And I'm going to click on this bottom refrigerator. We can see we can sort our search based on price. Say we only want to have up to 200 and here we go. And we can apply that. If you don't hit apply, it won't work. And you can set up more filters if you wish. It's up to you. And you can also sort. I did sort by overall score, highest to lowest. Kind of want the best rated option. When you're doing your list, you can view different ways. You can do a compact view. You can do a full view. And when you click here on the side, you can actually add these to compare with each other. And I picked the top 4. And if you click right here, compare, you can select those and put them next to each other, and you can make a nice comparison. And then I'm going to click this. It says show the differences. It's going to highlight the ones they differ based on certain things. Some are all the same and some are different. And that way you can help make your decision. And again, the buying guide is here, recommendations, and then there's the different options. And you can always go back and you may print this as well. So if I decided I wanted to choose this one with this price, I'm going to hit shop. And it'll bring me to all of the features for this item. And then I'm going to hit shop again. See how there's a price range difference? You'll see why. At Sears and Best Buy, it's this price, but at Home Depot, it's this price. So you can also, when you hit shop, it'll bring you to these websites and you can look there. Okay. So we hope that this helps you decide what the best purchase is for you. Please go to our website for more information about our services at www.warrenlib.org. Happy shopping!